You said this research has been going on for 20 years. You've been answering this question for the past 20 years. I know it's very difficult to summarize 20 years, 2 decades worth of work, but what would you say if you had to summarize it in an elevator pitch?
I would say that exposing people to mindfulness and the power they have within themselves to change their reality is huge. Um, in terms of research results, we've consistently, over 20 years, gotten consistent, significant reductions in burnout. The average is 27% by the end of the 8 weeks. 27% of people that start the program do not score as burned out by the end of the 8 weeks, and significant reductions in perceived stress. But the two results that in my mind are more powerful are the highly significant increases in resilience and then in work engagement. Because if somebody is excited about their work, they are resilient in both their home life and their work life. It's just, it's a win for everybody.